Foundation, Our Dream, Their Rights. Dream School Foundation is an Indian non-governmental organization working to make the right to quality education, overall development and a happy childhood a reality for the children in and around Bangalore, the IT capital of India. Why Dream School Foundation? Universalization of elementary education and subsequent efforts by the government, NGOs, bilateral agencies and all other stakeholders have brought notable success in bringing children to schools. There are over 160,000 schools in the country, mostly controlled by the government, facing a plethora of quality and equity issues. Only 53.4% of the children in Standard 5 can read a Standard 2 level text. About 52% of the children in Standard 5 cannot perform basic arithmetic operations. Thousands of teacher vacancies need to be filled in our schools. 37% of schools have usable toilets for girl children. 25% of India's population is still illiterate. Only 15% of Indian students reach high school and just 7% graduate. Only 47 out of 100 children enrolled in Class 1 eventually reach Class 8, putting the dropout rate at a staggering 52.79%.
Founding directors of Dream School Foundation, and the genesis of the Dream School Foundation happened because like-minded people like me joined together to create an organization that worked towards quality education for Indian children. We at DSF connect the schools, the communities, the parent and the corporate and the civil societies together.
मेरा नाम ज़बी है, मैं नौवीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ, ये विगावा में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं सेंटर में मुझे 7वीं कक्षा से मुझे बहुत हेल्प मिल रहा है। उसमें से मुझे 7वीं कक्षा से बुक दी है और कहीं इसमें ये क्या हेल्प किया। नवोदय स्कूल में एक बार एग्ज़ाम था, इसमें भी मुझे भेजा सेंटर से। इसके बाद बहुत सारे जगह हेल्प कर चुके हैं और मुझे 8th स्टैंडर्ड से वो बहुत कुछ स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि पास दे रहे हैं, जैसे बुक, बैग, पेन वो पूरा दे चुके हैं बुक से। और सेंटर में जो भी हम लोग जाते हैं आफ्टर स्कूल क्लास के बाद जाते हैं तो जब बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, जैसे अब एग्ज़ाम आ रहे हैं, जब रिवीजन पूरा स्कूल में सिखाते हैं, इससे हम लोग को बहुत हेल्प होती है।
All our
Ishrat Sultana, Vice Principal, Government High School, JC Nagar. So this school with 20% SSLC board exam results, with the help of the Dream School Foundation, I have been able to reach up to the level of 94% in March 2011. This year in March 2012, we are expecting 100% result by the quality improvement of the students.
As part of the program, focus group meetings and alignment workshops are held with the stakeholders to solicit participation and responsibility of all the players associated with the school. The program components involve infrastructure and resource provisions, learning interventions facilitated by our trained facilitators and volunteers, and capacity building of a very small percentage of children from socio-economically backward communities are able to continue their studies post-10th standard. This reality is what urged us to embark upon our new initiative, 10 Plus.
My name is Madhu. I am the new member to the DSF family. I am here as a 10 Plus coordinator. The process goes about like this. At the end of their 10th curriculum, we hand over an application which they fill in and drop it back to us. We screen the applications that we receive. We identify kids who are in interest. We counsel them if necessary. We help them identify their field of interest and help them to achieve.
Our interventions are integrated in nature and implementation. The model of DSF is replicable, sustainable, and fully supports the mission of ensuring equity and quality in education for Indian children.